Hi. Today, we will see an interesting topic. We can forward our localhost and run it on another device. This feature is available in Visual Studio Code. Let's see how to do that. Here, I have opened a simple HTML file in the Visual Studio Code. When I run this page in a web browser, I see such an output. Now, see the URL. This is my localhost. If I run this URL on some other device, like another computer or my mobile device, then it will not work. Because this localhost URL is confined to this computer only. Notice the port number here. Write it down somewhere if you want. We will need this ahead. Here, the port number is 5500. Now let's see how to forward this localhost URL so that it can be used on any other device. Come back to Visual Studio. Click the View menu. Select the Terminal option. Such a window will open. Here, click the Ports option. Click the Forward a Port button. In this input box, we have to write the port number of our localhost URL. Like this. And click Enter. Usually, now, a web page opens where we have to log in using our GitHub credentials. But sometimes, that web page does not open, and we keep seeing this small message. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds and see if the web page opens on its own or not. If it does not open, then click the Show Log link. You will see a lot of information here. See where Please log in is written. Here we have a GitHub link. Copy this link and paste it into a web browser. Also, while logging in with GitHub, we will need this code. Copy it somewhere. See, I have pasted that GitHub URL here, and now I'm logging in using my GitHub credentials. Then, I will type that code here. And click Continue. Click the Authorize Visual Studio Code button. Congratulations! The task is almost done. Now, if you go back to the ports window, you will see a forward address here. See the visibility. It is private. We need to make it public. Right-click on this link. Select the Port Visibility option. And select the Public option. Click Continue. See the visibility. It is public now. Now, click this button and copy this link. And paste it in a browser. See, this link opens the same web page as our localhost URL. If I open this URL in my mobile phone's browser, then also, the same web page as our localhost. If you want to stop the port forwarding, then click this cross button here. Or, you can just close the Visual Studio once and open it again. Now the port will stop forwarding itself. If you hit the URL now, it will not load anything. So, if you are working on a project where you have to share the output with your friend or a client without hosting the project online directly, then you can just forward your localhost and share the URL. So that's it. Thanks for watching.